What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Toya Cherie, and I am back with another video. So today I am doing a video on the Amazon Baby Registry gift bag that they give you. So if you are pregnant and you sign up for Amazon's gift registry, they will give you a free gift bag, and it looks just like this. And so I will show you what I got in my gift bag. So for starters, they do give you a 3-piece set. It's like hat, gloves, and socks. And this is pink or peachy and white striped. So I think that was cute. So there's like socks, the mittens, and the hat. They do give you a sample of Huggies Little Snugglers diapers. It's a 3-pack. So they give you some samples of some Huggies diapers. Now they also give you a Dr. Brown's bottle, which is, I think, their new one. It's an anti-colic bottle. And so this is how this one looks. I can take it out and show you how it looks. So this is the bottle that they give you for Dr. Brown. So I'm going to try this out as well. Also, they give you a, I think this is just a bodysuit, like a onesie, but it's like white, and it has like animal print on it, like little elephants, lion, stuff like that. So it's just like a onesie. This is 3 to 6 months. So yeah, from Carter's. So it's 3 to 6 months, like onesie, white with like little animals on it. They also give you, this is, I think, for your postpartum. So these are just like the pads. So they give you the some pads for postpartum after you have the baby. So they give you a few things in here, a few pads in here. They give you some water wipes. I've heard good things about the water wipes, so I'm excited to use them. They give you some Milk Flow, which is like electrolytes. It's breastfeeding supplement. So it's a berry flavored. So you probably put this in some water and then drink it. So I guess it's to help you lactate. So, or gives you electrolytes, so helps you with breastfeeding. They give you some Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo, face and body. So that's for baby. It's wash and shampoo. So face and body. They give you a little baby thing of Aquaphor. So for the baby diaper rash. And I think that's it. Oh, they just give you a couple of coupons and things like that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's what came in the baby registry. So if you're curious to know what Amazon gives, that's what they give for their baby registry. It could change, I don't know. But for what I got, and it's right now is October 29th, that's what came in my baby registry. So I am 38 weeks right now, so fingers crossed for baby to come soon. I am sitting in the baby's nursery right now. It is not complete because your girl is still trying to get it together. I will get it together, but it's taking me some time. But I almost have everything, and for sure, once I get everything complete, I will do a nursery tour and everything like that. And I'm also going to do a what's in my baby bag, so stay tuned for that, or what's in my bag, what's in my baby bag. Stay tuned for all of that. Hopefully she comes soon, so we will see. You guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I will get to them. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Toya Cherie. And yeah, I'm just excited for baby girl to come. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I will definitely see you in the next one. Please stay tuned.